Neem, also known as irritated, has been used in Ayurveda for centuries. It's packed with antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for soothing skin rashes. Why do skin rashes happen? Skin rashes occur when your skin reacts to something irritating, allergic, or infectious. Common causes include allergies to soaps, cosmetics, or fabrics, heat and sweat buildup, fungal or bacterial infections, insect bites. How Neem helps? Neem has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to kill germs causing the rash, reduce redness, swelling, and itching, speed up the healing of the affected skin, prevent the rash from spreading further. To prepare a neem remedy at home, here's what you need. A handful of fresh neem leaves. These vibrant green leaves are packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds that help soothe irritated skin and fight off infection. Water. Clean water is essential to blend the neem leaves into a smooth paste or to prepare a herbal rinse that gently detoxifies your skin. A clean bowl. Use a sanitized bowl to mix your ingredients safely and prevent introducing any dirt or bacteria to your natural remedy. Optional: turmeric powder or aloe vera gel. Method 1. Neem paste for rashes. First, wash the neem leaves sterilely, then grind them into a fine paste using a little water. Now, apply this paste directly to the rash area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Method 2. Neem water bath. Boil neem leaves in water for about 10 minutes. Let it cool. Use this water to wash the affected skin area or add it to your bath water for full body relief. Do this once or twice a day for best results. For stubborn rashes, mix neem paste with a pinch of turmeric. This combo fights infection and reduces redness faster. So the next time your skin acts up, let neem do the magic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.